Hi friends! I hope you are all doing wonderfully. My name is Miss Kate, and today we are going to talk about being brave, which is another emotion that you can feel. And we're going to do that by reading this book, which is called I Will Be Fierce. It's by Bea Birdsong, and it was illustrated by Nidhi Chenani, who was an incredible comic book artist. And does anybody here know what fierce means? So in my mind, being fierce is like being brave. So going out and being yourself and doing things that you think are right. So I will be fierce. Let's see what this little person does to feel fierce. Today, I will be fierce. I will answer the call to adventure. I will put on my armor. I will fill my treasure chest. I will go forth to explore new worlds. I will drive back the dragons. Do those look like dragons to you? They look like happy dogs to me. I will dare to walk with the giants. I will charge the many-headed serpent, which to me appears to be a school bus, but when it's filled with kids that you don't know, it could be scary. I will climb the mountain of knowledge. I will trick the guardian of wisdom into revealing her secrets. I will solve the mysteries of the unknown. Today I will be fierce. I will break away from the ordinary. I will stand up for my beliefs. I will build new bridges. So there she is sitting with another classmate who wasn't sitting with anybody yet. I will search for light in the darkness. Today I will be fierce. I will claim my victory. And this says, show and tell. I will conquer my fears and I will make my voice heard. I will be the hero of my story. Today I will be fierce. I will lead the way home, and then I will rest, because even heroes need their rest. For tomorrow, I will be fierce again. The end. So I want to end today a little differently. I want us to do a repeat after me that has to do with this book. So first, I will be kind. I will be strong. I will be brave. I will be fierce. So can we all do it together? I will be kind. I will be strong. I will be brave. I will be fierce. And see, it looks just like the girl on the cover. Because we are all that girl on the cover. We are all fierce. So I hope you all have a great rest of your day. Keep being fierce and being yourself. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye.